going to try and show you how to make your own themes for the iPhone. I'm using the iphone3G, but I'm sure you can apply this to the 2nd gen and to the iPod Touch. What I'm basically doing is using themes that someone else has already designed, using that as a template, and then just sort of tweaking little bits here and there to sort of personalise it myself. Anyway, so first of all you need to get into Cydia and find a theme, fairly sort of simple one to mess around with. Today I'm going to be using Eraser 2. So go to Cydia, hit search, Eraser 2, find that, download that onto your phone. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to bother doing it again. And then go back to your home page and open up Winterboard, and you can just see the top there is Eraser 2. So I'm just going to click that and reset the springboard. Give it a second, and here we go. So this is basically what the Eraser theme looks like, just as standard. Right, so first of all what you need to do is get a program called WinSPC. There you go. Open that, enable it with the SSH toggle that you can get from Cydia as well. Log in. All the information for doing this I'll write down somewhere on the info bit at the side. So once you're connected you can then sort of sign in there, and there you go. So on the left hand side of the screen is obviously your PC there, and that's my desktop. On the right hand side here is your iPhone, so click the top one so it's back, scroll all the way down to the bottom for a folder you're looking for called Stash. There you go. Then once you're in Stash, just left click there, open that, and then the bottom of that is Themes. Scroll down until you can find your theme. There's Eraser 2. Now you just want to right click onto the theme, just sort of drag it over onto your desktop here. There you go, and then when it's released, right click, click copy. Copy, lovely stuff. Cool. Right, what I've done is already created a theme on my a folder on my desktop called Themes for my iPhone. It's just sort of, it's got JPEGs for the things that I've been messing with and everything else. Just keeps it all together. So I've copied it into that folder. Right. So your next step is to use, well, Gimp is the program that I use. You can use Photoshop as well, but I've got Gimp. It basically does exactly the same as what Photoshop does, but it's free, which is nice. So then you go onto your folder on your desktop, your iPhone themes, open up your Eraser 2 that you copied there earlier, and there you go. That's basically what the theme looks like in its sort of component parts. So there's a wallpaper, right click, go up. Now obviously because I'm using Gimp to edit mine, it's at the top there, edit with Gimp. Cool, so there you go. That's just the basic background for the theme. You just click that, and then I mean what I did the first time around is just to click the resize tool to get a rough idea of what the background is there. You see it's 320 by 480, just make sure that's in pixels. Cool, so once you've got your background loaded up, you can then sort of open up your folder wherever you keep your pictures and just find whatever you want to use as your background. I'm just going to use this one for now because it's only a demonstration. I'm not really too concerned with the overall look. It's just kind of proving a point that you can do it. So once again, edit with Gimp, and there we go. So the first thing you need to do with this is obviously resize this to the same image size as your wallpaper for the Eraser theme. So if you remember correctly, it was 320 by 480. Cool, there you go, just click scale, and there you go. So once you've rescaled your picture, you just simply select all and cut. Take it from there, close down that one, go back to your wallpaper and paste over the original wallpaper just like that. And then once you've done that, it's just as simple as clicking File. One second. There you go, File at the top left there. File and Save. So that will obviously just save over the original background with the same title, wallpaper.png. Obviously it's got to remain the same title, so when it goes back onto your phone it just thinks it's the background it was initially. So there it is, back in the themes folder, in the eraser theme folder as the wallpaper.png. So now you need to load back up your WinSPC, NCP, whatever it's called, the program we showed you earlier. Load that back up, and once again right click now on the Eraser 2 theme. One second. Right click. Now you're dragging it from the folder on your desktop back to your iPhone. So there, just copy there. Now obviously because you copied it originally onto your desktop from your iPhone, you're now going to be writing over the original one that was still on your phone. So just click yes to all, because you're going to be replacing the original folder with your new one with your edited background. So now there's the original eraser background. Just if you load up winterboard, click the eraser at the top there, because obviously it's already selected, deselect and then select again, and then reset your springboard. Right, so once that's done, there you go, new background on the original theme, still with the original icons and with the original dock. In my next video I'll show you how you can edit both the dock and the icons. Obviously with a bit of time you can actually create your entire theme from scratch, but the first video is obviously just the background. Thank you.